So one of my favorite stores is Whole Foods, and there I bought some Boom Boom shrimp, and I also snatched up a bag of that coconut shrimp, and they are a nice size, nice and chunky. That's right. And then I also bought some of that Phillips pineapple sweet chili sauce. This stuff is amazing. All right, so how to cook it? Heat up some cooking oil to about 400 degrees, and the temperature is going to drop once you put that cold shrimp in there. All right, so you're gonna fry the shrimp up for about 10 minutes and then it's gonna come out looking just like this, nice, crispy, and crunchy. And then you're gonna move on to the next bag, the Boom Boom shrimp. That's right, you're gonna take those, put those in some hot cooking oil for about 10 minutes, and they're gonna come out looking just like this. Yummy. Now, after you cook these babies up, it's gonna be time for you to make a nice little plate or a big plate, depending on how hungry you are. And you're gonna take some of that sauce as well, and it's gonna come out just like this. Nice, crunchy shrimp with some good old sauce. Go cook some.